How's everybody doing today? So today is Monday. I was coming at you guys with another video. It's going to be real quick, a review on the Mishimoto Intercooler install. I was going to talk about it, give you guys my review, my personal honest opinion about it. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? I think you guys will really enjoy this video. It's going to be very informative. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for checking the channel out, subscribing. If you guys like this video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, okay? Alright, you guys, so like I said, I'm going to talk about today is going to be about the Mishimoto Intercooler, okay? I honestly, up to this point, besides doing a EGR DPF delete on the truck since I've owned it, I want to say that this is so far the greatest impact I've had on my truck in terms of performance. Cut and dry, simple. Spool up, the spool up is there. My EGTs are so low, it's ridiculous, man. I'm talking like, when I'm cruising, I'm sitting at about 550. Anywhere from high fours to fives, depending on what gear I'm in. This is an extremely awesome product. And what I love about it is, so this is the hot side. If you put your hand here, you can feel it's kind of warm, because this is your hot side. Your hot air exhaust gases are coming in here. Or yeah, your hot turbo air is coming in here. It's coming in here and getting cooled and condensed and all that fun stuff. But then by the time you get over here to the cold side pipe, it's cold. Like, it feels like, you know, like it's just been sitting here all day. And this is, I just got done driving. The truck's still warm, it's hot, and it feels like that. So this is a game changer right here. Mishimoto Intercooler is a game changer. Banks has a good one too, but Banks wants a little too much for theirs. I think AFE has one, same case. They want a little too much for theirs. Best bang for your buck, and guess what? Best thing out of all, you see that right there? Lifetime warranty, baby. Meaning they back their stuff up. Made in America, made in-house. You guys know how I feel about American products. I'm all for it. They provide you, and I have a video install on this, so if you guys are first-time watchers, I do have an install video. I will have a little icon at the end of the video. You can click on to watch it. Game changer. They give you these fat 3.5-inch pipes, intercooler pipes, hot side, cold sides over here. Honestly, I've had a few people ask me, you know, intake manifold, my pusher, is it worth it? Should I do it? Yes. Now, if you have a stock intercooler, is it extremely noticeable and all that stuff? No, not really. You're not gonna, it might sound a little bit more throatier, a little bit. You hear a little better spooling. As for performance, it's not a oh my god performance installer when it's just this alone. But when you couple it with the Mishimoto Intercooler, it's there. You can hear it, man. I mean, it's amazing. And I'm running the stock turbo. I'm running the stock HE30 351 VGT turbo down there. You guys know how I want to get rid of that so bad. But she still runs, so I can hold on to her for a little more. Okay. But going back to this, man, oh my goodness, this is just excellent quality, just excellent product. I've only had it on for probably about a little over a month. I got a really good deal on this also. So as I make these review videos, guys, you know, the prices I get for them and stuff, I'm not afraid. I don't mind releasing that or letting you guys know how much I pay. I get a pretty good deal for certain things I find, like this right here, intercooler. I got this with the clamps. I got this for $630. All right. If you get the intercooler with the pipes, that's $1,100 brand new from Mishimoto. This was brand new. I got a really good deal on it. I found it on eBay. A company had it. Granted, they sent it to me. The box was real messed up, but the products and the parts were intact for the most part. So it's awesome. You guys can see it. You know, she's fat. She comes way down there. Okay, let me see if I can get in there. You know, she comes way down there, and you can, when the hood's closed, I mean, you can see her, man. You know, that's the top side, and you got the bottom side down there. But she is, I love it, man. I love it so much. Some perks, some benefits from getting it. I can tell you right now, lower EGTs for sure. Your EGTs you're gonna notice about a 30% decrease in EGTs. You're gonna have better boosting because you're gonna get a slightly better. Pretty much spool effect, because the tank, so for those of you who don't know, this is considered the tank, which is the main section of the intercooler. The tanks are 30% bigger than stock. I have my stock one over here, okay, and it's bigger than this one. You know, look how skinny that is. That's the stock one. Same thing with the outlet. Okay, I got the stock pipes right there. Those are just standard 3-inch pipes. It's skinny, it's restrictive. So this opens it up. This makes your truck breathe so much better. And on top of that, remember, by getting cooler air coming from your turbo, all right, getting that cooler air, this air is going into your block. Okay, this is the air that contributes to combustion. So once again, having cooler air, denser air equals more efficient combustion. That is going to make your engine tick, run, and just feel better. It's going to always feel like, you know, in the morning when you cold start your truck and drive it, and it feels more peppy. It kind of feels like that all the time with this, honestly. I cannot wait to put injectors and turbos on here, because with all, and also tuning combined with all of this, oh my goodness, words won't be able to describe how I'm going to feel from that, okay? So absolutely, this is my review. This is how I feel about it. Mishimoto Intercooler, recommend it. Absolutely. Quality of parts, high quality parts. Everything is backed with a lifetime warranty, including band clamps, boots, cooler itself. If the cooler cracks, something happens to the housing, it is all backed by a lifetime warranty. You get a serial number, and you get a register. You just got to go online and register with your serial number on Mishimoto.com. They will back their product up, and you will be good to go. Okay, so that is going to do it for the most part for this video. I really appreciate you guys watching this. Let me know how you feel about the whole review series that I'm going to be doing within the next couple of weeks. You know, I just kind of want to get some content out there for you guys, so you guys can you know, keep up with the channel until we start getting some more heavy part installs done. Okay. Alright, you guys, so like I said, that is going to be it for today's video. Trying to think, there was something else I had to say about that. I can't remember right now. Oh yeah, EGTs are, I think I said it earlier, but whatever. EGTs are going to be lower. I highly recommend it. If you guys are looking for a solid build-up install part, I highly recommend the intercooler. A lot of people actually don't even consider it, or they didn't even think about their intercooler. Your intercooler is an important factor when it comes to your engine and how efficient it is. Having that cooler air, more air getting pushed through by the turbo into the engine block, like that's a pretty nice factor when it comes into making power. There's a difference between making, you know, how do you say, instant power, and making longevity slash, you know, reliability power. Obviously things like intercooler, intake manifold, just little things like that. You know, you're building your engine up, you're beefing it up before, you know, it gets that final polish on it when you throw injectors and turbos and stuff like that on it. So nonetheless, remember this, keep that in mind. Highly recommend it. The best price you will get on the aftermarket intercooler is going to be with Mishimoto, and you can actually go to their website. They have a sponsorship program. You just have to sign up for it, and what happens is every time you buy something, you get 15% off on their website, and all you gotta do is just put in your year, make, model, what type of build you're doing, what parts you have done. You get a response in about maybe a week or a couple days. Get a response, they'll talk to you, and they'll be like, you know, you got qualified for it, and that's it really, and you're done. So I didn't do it with this. I bought this off eBay. I did get it brand new though. Okay, so I got it brand new, but I got it off eBay because take away the 15% deal, this is still the best deal that I was going to be able to get. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any comments, any concerns, or anything you want to say, just hit me up. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys watching. We're sitting at 1,003 subscribers. I'm going to be having a gift card giveaway coming, probably going to be either end of this week, if not next week. I'm going to be doing 3 $25 gift card giveaways. The way I'm going to do it pretty much is going to be, if you've been subscribed to the channel prior to this video, along with you commented in at least one of my videos and you also like the video, that will automatically qualify you and enter you into the drawing. When I announce the winner, if I don't hear from you guys within, I'll say 48 hours or something, I'm just going to do another drawing until someone actually wants the gift cards, and then DM me off the Instagram, everything_diesel. DM me on that, and then I'll give me your address. I'll mail out the gift cards to you. This is just a nice way for me to be able to show my appreciation for you guys for contributing to the channel, coming over, viewing everything and stuff like that. Okay. So with that being said, you guys have a good day. Take care. Peace out, and see y'all next time. Okay.